Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of connectors for UiPath, and I have a lot of videos of presentation for UiPath. Today I will show you a very nice idea. So basically, a lot of people make UiPath tutorials on the YouTube and so on. For a beginner, it's hard to search on all this documentation because there is a lot of YouTube stuff and so on. So my idea was to create a filter data. Yeah, so this data, some part of the data are very, very good. So to be able to allow you to identify very fast the data on the YouTube, I create basically here a workflow. I will share the workflow with you. So I will run it from here to understand the idea. You have more than 800 questions that are answered on the YouTube very fast. So for example, if I want to go here on the IE Center, yeah, and I want to see that how it's adding a training data set, yeah. So doing this stuff, the system will open a video on YouTube and you'll give me go to the exactly second where GP in this case make this stuff. So you see here how he add a data set on the IE Center, yeah. So that's the idea, to have a data that it's already filtered, it's already guaranteed to cut the time of searching of stuff on the YouTube. So there are more than 800 items here. You will see very fast. You want to work with link join, yeah. Let's see, and you have here Mahmoud TV that will be able to will explain you exactly in this part of the movie how the link join is working, yeah. So that's the idea. It's a filter data that will accelerate your time of searching data. If it's something that is not here on these elements, you will go and search on YouTube and you'll filter your own database or your own decision. But with this one, I hope that you will access data much faster, and the quality of the data it's verified by me from UiPath side. You see, this is my video where I show you how to execute a macro, yeah. So for execute macro, I will explain you exactly. So you will go exactly to the answer inside of the movie, yeah. So what I will do on the description of my movie, so on the description of the movie on the internet, I will add, so on the description of the movie, I will add the files. So you have here the example file for 2022. You have the XAML files from 2020 version 10, and you have a XAML file also for the version with Excel. So basically, you can the workflow can access an Excel, and you can modify the Excel how you want. Put your own data there to, for example, to be able to share it inside of your company with your filter data and so on. So you just go run the file, and you will have this full dictionary of selected data with a low taxonomy on a document understanding. And you have here an example from Anders how to work with taxonomy. So that's the idea on how to arrive fast to an answer for your YouTube questions, yeah. So you have an answer on the second. So if you like the idea, please subscribe to my channel. Remember that you will download this from the GitHub. I will provide you the links from the GitHub. Run it on your PC, put it on your COE, or put it on your assistants, and see how much help this stuff will get to your company. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye bye.